Punjab, especially Amritsar. I mean, Golden Temple, lassi, aloo paratha, dil wale dulhaniya le jayenge, sarson ke khet. My dreamland in Punjab is set. So all I had to do, I thought, was daydream, right? Why do you need meticulous planning and all? That's for like losers, right? But if Way to Go wasn't there, I don't think I would have made it to the trip.
Log on to cleartrip.com and click on the brand new tab on the left. That's the way to go for you. Currently released as a public beta, Way to Go is an integrated worldwide route finding and booking product. While planning a trip, traveling usually involves thinking of transportation as one mode of transport at a time. Way to Go helps you compare various modes of transport for a trip. You can easily get routes and prices for a journey that requires multiple forms of transport to reach a destination. You can also refine your search based on the cheapest, fastest and even greenest options, greenest being the least pollution generating routes in relation to other available options. Be it indicative prices from Mumbai to London or even local transit within a city, say IIT Mumbai to Chembur, Way to Go provides you the best possible options in a jiffy. Currently, the local transit data is only for New Delhi, Mumbai and Bangalore, which will help you plan intra-city commutes and weekend getaways.
Now that my entire trip was planned out theoretically to the T, practically I needed someone to maneuver me. I'd never been to Amritsar. And Punjab the wider road, akili kodi kaise maneuver karegi? And that's where Google Maps came in.
The new updated version of Google Maps. It's redesigned, refurbished into a similar card layout of Google Now. The design is quite minimalistic, probably seemed more minimalistic to me because it stood out amidst the Punjabi Baroque. Of course, this was a well thought out move to make it uniform. You can get turn-by-turn navigation and live updates, but these traffic updates are only available in Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune for now, so unfortunately I couldn't really use it in Amritsar. The latest update brings in a host of perks too. You can tap the screen twice to zoom in, so you don't have to struggle with the pinch and zoom function with two hands. You can access maps offline, which helps you find recommendations for hotels, restaurants and things to do. All you need to do is just tap the search bar and then explore. Besides these, Google Maps now comes with restaurant reviews as well. And guess what? I wrote one for a dhaba that I stopped at for these delicious parathas.
This is the best aloo paratha I've had ever.
In the world of Google Maps, Nokia's brave boy Here Maps has updated things that's big. An augmented reality app quite similar to CityLens, it's called a live sight. This live sight lets you point your phone camera at your surroundings through a map and you see video overlays that will tell you of nearby points of interest. It's that simple. Unfortunately, if you've got the Lumia 520 or the 635, this feature isn't available. Besides this, you can now figure out the quickest route around while you're walking, driving or using public transit and also figure out rail routes.
Now, Ankit had already been to Amritsar and he was ecstatic, more ecstatic than me that I was going there. So he would say, Devika, go to this restaurant, go to that dhaba, go to this place, have the aloo parathas there. But he would never ever remember the name of the place. He would say, it's some Mona Shona or something he would say and he would not remember his name. It was annoying. I wish he had used MyTrax.
MyTrax, a GPS-enabled app, records your travel route. It's like leaving digital breadcrumbs along the way so that the next person who goes to that place can follow it and knows exactly which places to visit. You can sync and share your tracks via Google Drive or publish it on Google+, Facebook, Twitter or even export it to Google Maps and Google Spreadsheets. This GPS logging app, MyTrax, is available free on Android and iOS.
And when you realize that you're going to reach the threshold of your motherland, it's the Indo-Pak border, that feeling is absolutely phenomenal. It's absolutely out of the world. It's something that it's like you're getting out of your comfort zone, right? And it's kind of nervous, but it's phenomenal, that feeling. And the best part is, at Wagah border, the patriotism is so contagious Nobody will escape it. Everyone's dancing, everyone's singing Jai Hind in their Besura tones, but they still sing it. I mean, everybody wants to scream their lungs out and say Jai Hind. Genius that I am, I forgot to shoot any Insta video. Yeah, I was too cool, right? I was shooting Amritsar, I'm shooting Golden Temple, Indo-Pak border, Insta video and all. Why is it important, right? And when I realized what I did, I was so glad with the Instagram update. With the new update, what it does is that you can import the same videos that are in your camera roll. And if I couldn't do this, I would have totally killed myself.
This is, of course, just an indicative list that Devika showed you. It's not exhaustive. Do let us know what travel apps you use to, plan and organize your travel or your escapade. Twitter.com/switchfeed, Facebook.com/switchfeed. Go over there, talk to us.
Time for a break, but after that, a camera that you should be taking in the Sony Nex 3N. How many photos are you going to take?